Hey guys, this is Sapphire from Fungi Valley Farms. I'm here at the Atwater Farmers Market today, and look at our gorgeous lion's mane. Oh my gosh, wow. I was just so amazed by how pristine and amazing they've been growing and harvesting. I want to give a shout out to our grow team, our beautiful, amazing humans that are cultivating and working so diligently and hard on bringing the freshest, most incredible mushrooms, all organic, to you. Stop by the Atwater Market to grab yours today. Oh my gosh, look at this one. All right, have a beautiful Sunday.